Good morning, children. Welcome to the class 7th science. In the last session, we have studied about the adaptation in plants. Now, today let's study about the adaptation in animals. Like plants, animals too show diversity. Some are vertebrates, whereas others are invertebrates. This world is full of variety of animals, that is aquatic, terrestrial, amphibian, aerial, and so on. So children, today I am going to explain you the introduction regarding adaptation in animals. An adaptation is something about an animal that makes it possible for it to live in a particular place and in a particular way. So it may be a physical adaptation like the size or shape of the animal's body or the way in which its body works, or it may be the way the animal behaves. Okay. Now we are going to study adaptation in desert animals. There are 2 points which I am going to explain you today. First is adaptation in desert animal and the second is adaptation in reptile. So now I am going to explain you adaptation in desert animals. Deserts are characterized by severe scarcity of water. Hence desert animals, they have a thick skin to prevent loss of water from the body. Camels, they are well adapted for survival in the desert. Their adaptation include large flat feet to spread their weight on the sand. I am giving you the example of camel, and it has a thick fur on the top of the body for shade and has thin fur, okay, thick fur on the top of the body for shade and thin fur to allow easy heat loss. Rats, snakes, spiders in deserts, these are the animals. They live in deep holes in the ground during daytime and they are active at night. So now the second point is I am going to explain is adaptation in reptile. Children, have you come across the word reptile? First, let me explain you what is the meaning of reptile. It is an animal. A reptile means it is an animal that has cold blood. ये एक ऐसे रेंगने वाले जीव है, इनका खून कैसा होता है? ठंडा होता है. It has a cold blood and a skin covered in scale. उनकी त्वचा छिलके वाली होती है and whose young ones come out of eggs. और इनके जो बच्चे होते हैं, इनके बच्चों का जन्म अंडों से होता है. This is what is the meaning of reptile. So it is an animal. Now how do they adapt? Reptiles adapted scales to help minimize water loss from their bodies and they help to protect them from predators. Some reptiles such as the snake adapted clear scales. They cover themselves and they protect their eyes. So this is how the animals, how they protect themselves, how they adapt in the surrounding. So children, we have learned the 2 points in this. First is adaptation in desert animals and second is adaptation in reptiles. Now the revision for you all is to revise the points based on adaptation in desert animal and adaptation in reptiles. I hope you have no question regarding this topic. You all have cleared it. Thank you.